Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you. I am making this new dish. I don't know if you've heard of it before, but it's called chicken Tinga. And I was introduced to this dish by Pat, one of my good friends. She's like, Maria, you have to make this for the show. So she sent me the recipe and I tried it and it was a hit in my family. And my cousins came over and they tried it, so they loved it. So I am going to share this with you today. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the history of where it came from. Chicken Tinga is a Spanish Mexican dish. It's made up of shredded chicken in a sauce made of tomatoes and chipotle chilies in adobo sauce, onions, and it's usually served on a tostada, and it's served with avocado, shredded lettuce, crumbled cheese, Mexican crema, and some salsa, and it originated in Puebla, Mexico. So I am going to come back, and you know what I love about this dish? It's super easy, and with our degrees here in 109, this will be put together in no time. And I'll be right back to go over the ingredients. The very first thing you're going to need is chicken breasts, and you'll need 4, and I got 2 in each package here at Costco, and I got boneless, skinless. You'll need 1 4-ounce can of chilies chipotles. You'll need 1.5 cups of chicken broth, and you'll need 4 Roma tomatoes. You'll need pepper and salt. You'll need this COJITA queso. This is one of my favorites. You'll need some garlic powder, oregano. You'll need a little bit of oil for cooking the onions. You'll need half an onion, diced very small. You'll need an avocado and some Mexican cream, which is sour cream. And then you'll need tostadas, and you'll need some tortillas because we're going to make tacos and a tostada. And here are some of the garnishes. You'll need some lettuce shredded thinly, some of my favorite jalapeno, lime, and some radishes. I will be right back to put this together. Okay, just want to let you know that I went ahead and boiled the 4 chicken breasts and I shredded them, and I have it all shredded here. I also saved the chicken broth from the boiled chicken, so you're going to need to save about 2 cups. And now right now I am rough chopping these 4 Roma tomatoes because they are going in this Ninja. We're going to blend everything in here, which is super easy. And we're going to put the chipotle chilies in there. Ooh, oh my goodness, I love this so much. And then we are going to put about a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of oregano. And we are going to put the chicken broth. We're going to put about 1.5 cups for now. We're going to save about 1/2 cup. And you know what? That is it. And we're going to take this over there to blend this. So while the chili was blending, the tomatoes and the chili, I am sauteing the onion in here. I put a little bit of oil in, and we're sauteing this just for a little bit, just till it gets a little translucent, maybe about 2 minutes. I want to show you how beautiful this sauce looks. I blended it, and it's going to be ready to be poured right in there. Oh my gosh, let me smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so we're over here, and we've got this sauteing. Now, guess what? We're putting all that chicken in. Look how easy this is. So you can boil it in advance. You can even get this done a day ahead. And you're just going to saute it for just a little bit with the onions, and we'll be right back. It's been about 3 minutes, and I sauteed the onion and the shredded chicken, and this is all you're going to do. You're just going to pour all of this beautiful red sauce in there, and we're going to stir it around. And we are actually going to let this simmer for 10 minutes, and we will be back to build that beautiful tostada and taco. So we're gonna leave it there, and ooh, look how beautiful this looks, and it's gonna taste amazing. Okay, I'm going to put the lid on and we'll be back in 10 minutes. So it's all done. It was on medium high heat for 10 minutes, and look at this beautifulness. And you're just going to pinch it, and we're gonna build right now. Look how beautiful that is, and it tastes so good. And I already tasted it, and it seems to me like it has enough salt, but you can taste it and see what you think. So let's build this. I went ahead and fried this in a little bit of oil. It's a corn tortilla, and we're going to fill this. I've already put 2 of the crispy tostadas. I filled them with some meat, but we're gonna fill this one right here, and you could come and look how beautiful this is going to look. You could just get you can use tongs, or you could use a spoon, you know, that has slots in it, so that if you don't want to get that much of the juice. But how much should I put? These are our own tacos, so we can put as much as we want. So I am going to show you right here. We're going to go ahead and build this, and you're going to see how beautiful this is. So we're going to go ahead and put some lettuce, and we'll put a little bit of lettuce here, and you want it thinly sliced. Oh, that's so beautiful. And then we are going to put, I'm going to put these like this because it looks so pretty across the avocado. And we're going to put a radish in the middle, and we're going to put some jalapenos around. Okay, you don't have to do jalapenos, but I absolutely love them. We're coming in with the cheese, and we want to make this COJITA cheese here. And we're going to go ahead and, you know what? I think I should put some more chicken to fill in that side. And I'll put some more over here, because why not, right? Why not? It's ours. And let's put some more cheese here. Ooh, look how beautiful that looks. The last thing you're going to do is you're going to put some of this crema however you want. I'm going to dab it on the top here, but you can actually slide it across, and there you have the tostadas. So now we're over here, and now I'm doing the taco, and we're going to go ahead and put some cubes of avocado in there. We'll put some COJITA cheese. Look how pretty that cheese looks. We're going to go ahead and put some of these and some of these, and we're going to go ahead and I'll just run some along the side here, and we'll close it up. And look how beautiful that is. I'm going to eat this. Here it goes. It may be messy. I'll be right back. The scripture I chose today was 1 Samuel 36. And this is about David. Now David was greatly distressed, for the people spoke of stoning him, because the soul of all the people were grieved, every man for his sons and daughters. But David strengthened himself in the Lord his God. Today, that's what I want to talk about. David was in a very distressed and stressful situation. He had trouble on every side, and everybody was against him. So some of the scriptures that David shares is, even though in Psalms 23:4, even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. The valley of the shadow of death could appear to be a financial situation. Maybe you're facing a discouraging physical illness, and you're like, God, I have to go through this, and you're in that trial, and you may feel distressed. But you know what? We've got to look at what David did. David was in the same situation, but he said, I have to go and get my strength from God. And when David remembered what the Lord had did prior, he thought, God gave me the supernatural strength to kill Goliath. So God is going to help me with what I'm currently dealing with. So I'm going to end with this. Don't be overwhelmed by the troubles you're going through. Keep everything in perspective. Encourage yourself in the Lord and trust in Him and draw your strength from Him. You are in His hand and you can trust Him. The Lord will lead you out of your distress. I just want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. We may be facing a lot, but you know what? God is our strength, just like He did for David. He pulled him through and He told David, go and proceed forward. And he recovered everything that he lost. And God's going to work that out for us also. And I just want to thank you so much. This was a super easy dish, I think, and I think you're going to love it. It's some very, very wonderful flavors, these things put together. And stay tuned for next week, Maria's Kitchen, because I'll be showing you how to make a mango agua fresca. And it's going to be perfect for the hot weather anytime. Thank you so much and have a good day.